sunny day.
Well, we just spent it on the beach. It's yeah, a well spent day. I'm just waiting on the weather is going to be better. It's quite convenient travel. For the moment, so we kind of compromised. Easy. Half day sunny, half day sometimes rainy. Such a necessary thing. Charge up the batteries. Yeah. Listening to the waves, seeing the beauty.
Yeah, peaceful, sleepy afternoon in the fisherman village. Bangus food. Yeah. How is it going? Is it going good?
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Ooh, 3 sacks. That's the fish food. Yeah. Today you have a harvest?
Yes, of course.
Already?
Already.
Already, yeah? Okay.
After this.
You're gonna bring the fish back, yeah?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Today is a beautiful evening. You can see the mountain Apo. It's the highest mountain here in the Philippines. Nearly 3,000 meters. Yeah, beautiful, peaceful evening.
Yo guys, get the fish. Okay.
Well, here we have river comes to the bay.
pointing so you can see everything around. Yeah. Nice. How is it going? Is it going good? What's this color? That's stylish. It's good.
It's only small. Only small piece.
Small fish, yeah. For the bigger fish, you need to go out in the bay or maybe
Maybe
Samal.
catch a big piece.
Bigger fish, yeah. Was cool. Oh, yeah, it was cool flying. Beautiful place, beautiful spot, yeah. It's all the way there. Guys are catching the fish. Well, and just enjoying the beautiful evening. Kids, grown-ups, everybody. Everybody likes there in close proximity to the water. I'm gonna ask you, what is the biggest fish which you catched in a river?
Only half kilo.
Half kilo.
Yeah.
What kind of fish there was?
The snapper. Mangrove snapper.
Oh, beautiful.
In here, in the river.
Yeah. My favorite one is a red snapper. Very good, tasty. Oh yeah. Evening. Riverside and evening. I have been in so many places around the world, and it's very typical in the evening that people gather around the waterfront. Typical thing in Bali, Indonesia, and Kuta. It's, thousands and thousands of people are gonna go and watch the sunset. Doing good?
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello guys. Hello.
Hello guys. May taas tayo. Ala, hulog. Ayan, nagising.
You guys having fun, yeah? We're gonna check the small fisherman village.
Fish there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to open it. Everything.
Fish na
Tilapia. What about ocean fish? Red snapper?
Not yet. No more.
No more.
No more. It's only moro and then tilapia and then tamban. This is tamban. Tomorrow. Come back, come back.
Okay, well, thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Hello. Well, is he here? Guys having fun? Well, a little bit messy, but it is what it is. Roosters, as always. That's very, very unusual, of course, for Europeans. And as for me, this is typically very difficult to understand why it's like this. But it is what it is. because I can't sleep, I can't think, I can't do the stuff. I need to have a quiet place. But here in Asia, Indonesia, Philippines, the roosters are everywhere, so it's deep embedded in the culture. Well, of course, modern people, yeah, they understand the value of the quietness and so on, but in the villages, it is like that, yeah. Hello, hello. You see the rabbit business. Rabbitry. Welcome to rabbitry. Rabbits. Easy corner. Greenery grocery. Uniforms, yeah? Yeah. You see, beautiful shirts.
See, 200.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Well, here you have. You can get your T-shirt or your shirt. Snacks. Thank you. Hello, good evening. Marambaka. Here we have a bit more. Oh, that's a buzzy evening street. Well, at least some kind of activities in the evening are back. That's a very good sign. Well, that can be same all the way. A little bit traffic, a little bit street food. Ooh, traffic. Guys impatiently wait. Beautiful tuna. I can get this one.
Only 80 pesos. How about this one? You want this?
Well, it's a little bit, I think it's a little bit less green, less okay for me.
Just wait for a while, huh?
Tuna. How is business, guys? Is business back? Not yet. Not yet. Well, I guess everybody waits when there's going to be more freedom, so you will be able to travel and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. I guess this feeling when you are able to go anywhere, wherever you want, do the things which you want, it's very, very important for people. So creativity and willingness to invest grows of the society which are willing to grow and develop. It's a very important thing. Freedom of the movement of the people and the goods and services. Good? grill the fish approximately?
5.
5 minutes and it's done, yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna eat over here. It's see, that's the thing. Girl asked me one rice, I said no rice. No rice, yeah. Beautiful, you see? Yes, chilies. Hello, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, beautiful baby. Hello.
Since hindi pa tapos ang time ko, I would like cassette.
See you. Bye. Yeah. Well, beautiful meal. Hello guys, hello.
What is that?
Yeah, that's camera. What's missing? The mask is missing. Back in the mask. I'm satisfied with my meal. Maybe a little bit durian if I will be able to see it somewhere. But I'm not sure about that. It would be difficult to get. Typically durian, it's only in a specifically selling point dedicated to durian sales. In such small markets, only in the season you can get the durian. But when it's out of season, well, you need to hunt for that, you need to look for that. Well, we have, of course, typical suspects as a pineapple. Hello. We have pineapple, and we have bananas always, but durian, well, don't think so. We have papaya, I see. Pomelos, yeah. Well, grilled meat, grilled chicken. And of course fish. Hello. Evening moods in Davao City. Street bus, street food, and of course commuting. People commuting back home from their work. I guess the rhythm of the life is everywhere same all around the world. I don't see any big difference in the urban area. Yeah, commuting home, playing some game. Evening moods in the market. Hello! Sharing the positive moods in the market. And of course the full moon. Such a nice cozy mood here in the evening in the market. Little bit papaya. So happy me. A little bit ready-made meals. It for the market. Day is done. Veggie sellers sorting out veggies. Yeah.
such a positive mood.
Maybe something I can get.
Beautiful nasi. Hello, good evening.
Kami lang gusto ko kay barkada ni Makmo. Ito din barkada ni Makmo.
Hello. Yeah, you see the meeting gonna be a little bit too heavy for me for the evening. I'm just gonna take a little bit some more fish.
You're too late now.
Which is your favorite fish?
I offered to you about that one.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Just try to look at me.
Thank you, sir. Hello guys, hello. Yeah. All the things like red snapper, of course, is gonna be difficult to find, but yeah, you see the tuna, tilapia. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, guys.
Welcome to the
Yeah. Good evening. Oh, matambaka.
Oh, matambaka, 180, 120.
Yeah, good one. Fish for the evening meal. That's gonna be it for me today. Well, it's interesting that the grill meat, which is here close to the market, smells good. Sometimes you pass by a grill and you feel it's not fresh. That's a good sign. You see, all things which is close